everyone, welcome to my channel. Hope you are doing well. So today I'm going to show you a very simple technique for hooded eyes. So let's go ahead, and the first step is to find your crease, and of course you want to apply the eyeshadows a little bit above to create the illusion of lifted eyes and to make them appear more awake, and you can see the eyeshadows when you apply all of them. So the first step is always to apply a very good eyeshadow base or a concealer. Next, I'm gonna use a compact powder and a shader brush to map out where I'm gonna stop to apply the eyeshadows that I'm gonna use for the eye today. So I'm gonna apply in the outer corners of the eye, and here I'm gonna use 3 eyeshadows: a medium brown, a lighter shade to highlight, and a darker brown. Here I'm using browns, but you can use any eyeshadow that you like. So first you're gonna take the medium brown eyeshadow and you're gonna apply directly in your crease, especially focusing the eyeshadow in the outer corners of the eyes, blending above the crease to create the illusion of more lifted eyes. And next you're gonna use the darker brown eyeshadow. Yes, here you're gonna use the darker brown to apply in between the first shade. So you're gonna blend using a shader brush to focus the color exactly where I want it to be. And next, going back with the blending brush and the first eyeshadow, I'm gonna apply a little more. As you can see here, it gives me the illusion of more awake eyes, and they are more lifted as well. So I'm gonna take the darker brown and apply in the other corners of the eyes. In the highlighting shade, I'm gonna apply in the brow bone, in the tear duct area, and a little bit in the middle of the eyelid. This is all about the technique. You can use the colors that you like for this look. I really hope that you enjoyed this video much as I do. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you in the next one. Mwah. Bye!